Today, I will explain to you about this multi-row automatic drilling machine. The overall structure of this machine is a vertical machine that drills from bottom to top. This machine is a row of drill bits, with 21 drill bits on top of each row. This is done vertically from below to above, to demonstrate to everyone. Drill holes from bottom to top. There are 21 rows of drilling holes, which are rotated upwards from below after installing the drill bit. The spacing between each hole is a fixed 30-drum beard, with 21 holes drilled at a time. There is another row here, which is taken horizontally. Horizontal strike, coming from this side. Similarly, there are also 21 drill rows installed here. 21 holes are drilled simultaneously, and now we design this hole to be 30 drum in size. Of course, you have different spacing. We can customize it. For example, can I make this with a spacing of 20 fathom? If possible, just customize it. One drill row is enough.